You can precisely align objects in the software. There are 7 different tools that you can use for this. Alignment can be achieved through the Arrange toolbox, the Arrange menu, or by right-clicking on the design after selecting them. There are no alignment options in color film. These are grouped objects, so they must be ungrouped first. Right-click and select Ungroup. First, select the objects you wish to align. Hold the Control key to select multiples. Objects are aligned according to the last object selected. Aligning left will align the objects on the left side of the last object selected. If you use Control A and align left, the objects are aligned with the last object in the sequence, which in this case is that same pink object. Let's activate manual centering to make it easy to see the differences. By selecting all the objects and selecting Align Centers vertically, all objects will align to the vertical center of this object. If I select each of these objects using the Control key and align centers vertically, now they will align with the blue object. By selecting all the objects and aligning right, again they will align with the last selected object along the right side. I can also align the top of designs, and now they are aligned according to the top of the blue design. I can also align bottom. This time the green object was the last one selected. If I select everything and align centers, they all will be aligned with the pink object. Align centers vertically will align the center of each object on a vertical plane. Align right aligns all the objects along the right of an object. Align top aligns the topmost parts of the design. Align centers horizontally aligns the center of the object on a horizontal plane. And align bottom will align the lowermost part of the design. So selecting the option that you need in the Arrange toolbox and also being careful to select the object that you wish to use to align last, you can align designs precisely in the software.